Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. This method is safe, simple, and beginner-friendly. No complicated tools and no risky tricks. Just follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, your USB drive will be ready to install or repair Windows 11 on any PC or laptop. Please don't skip any step. Even a small mistake can cause problems during installation. And before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Now let's get started. First, we need the official Windows 11 ISO file. Open your web browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Click the first link from Microsoft. This is the official and safest source. Scroll down until you see Download Windows 11 Disk Image. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Now choose your language and click Confirm again. Next, click 64-bit download. The Windows 11 ISO file will now start downloading. This file is large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now we also need a tool called Rufus to make our USB bootable. So while the ISO is downloading, let's download it. Open a new browser tab and search for Rufus. Click the first link from results, which is the official Rufus website. Scroll down to the download section and click on the latest version of Rufus. Rufus is a small tool that will download very quickly. Once both downloads are complete, go to your Downloads folder. Open the Rufus application. Now plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it has at least 8 GB of storage. In Rufus, your USB drive should appear automatically under the Device section. Next, look for Boot Selection and click the Select button. Choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Now move to Partition Scheme. Choose GPT if your system uses UEFI, which most modern PCs do, and choose MBR only if you are using an older BIOS system. If you're not sure, then just to Start menu and search for System Information. Here you will find your BIOS mode. If it's UEFI, then choose GPT, and if it's Legacy, then choose MBR. You can rename the USB label to something like Windows 11 Bootable USB. Leave all other settings as they are. Now click Start. Rufus may show a window asking if you want to remove Windows 11 requirements like TPM and Secure Boot. If you are installing Windows 11 on an older PC that does not meet the requirements, you can check the first two options. Also, if you don't have a Microsoft account, then keep second option checked. Otherwise, you can leave them unchecked. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be deleted. Click OK to continue. Now Rufus will start creating the bootable USB. This usually takes a few minutes. Just wait until the progress bar finishes. When you see the status ready, the process is complete. Click Close and safely remove your USB drive. That's it. Your Windows 11 bootable USB is now ready. Now, if you want to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop using this USB drive, then you can watch this video on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.